Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering today. Musk offers sneak peek at orbiting data centers. They're bigger than the ISS. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk unveils renderings for large orbiting data centers, which are larger than the International Space Station. These satellites feature an exceptionally long solar array and are part of a project that includes a Terafab factory to produce the necessary components. Switzerland hosts CERN of semiconductor research. Switzerland hosts an open-source movement that allows universities and chip designers to create advanced chips without commercial restrictions. Universities like the Swiss Federal Institutes of Technology are designing next-generation semiconductors, but face challenges with instruction set architecture (ISA) due to fees and adaptability restrictions imposed by Intel and ARM. When the IBM PC and shoulder pads were big, Japan led the chip industry. It's trying to get back there now. Japan once led the semiconductor industry in the 1980s, but has since fallen behind due to evolving design and foundry models. However, it is now attempting a comeback by leveraging demand for sovereign chip production. Rapidus, a newcomer to the foundry game, plans to begin mass production at its 2nm wafer fab in Hokkaido in the second half of 2027, 5 years after its founding. The company is also developing advanced packaging capabilities to compete with giants Samsung, TSMC, and Intel. What happened when they installed ChatGPT on a nuclear supercomputer? Los Alamos National Laboratory recently partnered with OpenAI to install its flagship ChatGPT AI model on supercomputers used for nuclear weapons testing data. This collaboration is part of a larger program called Genesis Mission that aims to harness the technology to accelerate scientific research at America's national labs. An unmatched upgrade opportunity. Intel's new Core Series 3 mobile CPUs target value buyers as PC prices rise. Intel reveals its new Core Series 3 mobile CPUs targeting value buyers as PC prices rise. Built on the 18A process node for improved performance per watt and efficiency. These chips feature a hybrid core setup with Darkmont efficient cores and Cougar Cove performance cores and Z3 integrated GPU and a neural processing unit, NPU, capable of up to 17 TOPS. Intel claims that the new Core Series 3 mobile chips deliver impressive performance gains compared to older models, making them an attractive option for budget buyers who don't often upgrade their PCs. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.